Good morning, people. What is up? Give me a moment here while I load my shit. We've got your shit. A fucking spook.
It is Tuesday, March 6, 2018 at 8:59 a.m. The channel has 477 subscribers.
Oh yeah.
Zaymoots has the most copper shillings. Zaymoots has watched the most. Now.
What's up, Samus? Zai. How would you pronounce that anyway? So, I've done some Jabberwocky here with my... I might as well show it off, but I think I'll have to hit compile here, so let me finish doing what I'm doing. So I've added this...
And we were walking back there, and then I held her hand, and then she kept holding my hand. And then we walked to right before you walk out the alley, and she turned and gave me a kiss on my lips, and let go of my hand and ran into like fucking recess.
Alright,
and I was
let's
like,
see.
yo.
I could explain all of this, but I don't think I could, to be honest with you. Explaining it would probably take longer than it did just building it. But basically it's gonna make the look at item. Oh, it's just, that's nice, the song. Look at. Okay, cool. I'm doing look at stuff. That's so cool. Okay, meta alert. So, I mean, let me just finish working on it, but basically I've made it look and behave a little bit more like World of Warcraft Vanilla. I loaded up World of Warcraft Vanilla a while ago, and, you know, and it behaves a certain way. On mouse over, items always pop up, and the items always kind of glow a bit. I don't like that, but I like the fact that you can always tell something's like an item because the little look at window pops up. So what I'm doing here is just real minutia about the behavior of it. I've got it working pretty well, but and I didn't finish. This might take a while to compile. I'm not sure. No, see, it compiles a million times faster when I don't have the main map loaded up. That's the problem. Compiling with a huge map open takes way longer. Or when the project's been open a long time. I don't know. But anyway, that didn't take too long. So let me keep working on this. Where's my clicky stuff? Okay, left mouse button. Okay, so...
Stay forever.
Show inspect text. Okay. Okay, if inspect windows open, true, hide inspect. Okay. I'm gonna have to expand this region a bit here. Oh, what's up? Good morning. Just want to say hello before I go off to co-op. Cool beans. Alright, so this, I just like using bools. Bools are great. Alright, is it currently fading out? I think I'll have to put this stuff, like, what can I move? This can expand. It's good to keep a lot of space on things, but not so much that you forget where they are. So... branch there. So if it's currently fading out, I want to say, hey, I've clicked the button while fading out. And if, same here though, this is, yeah, if there's something under here, I just have to copy this code. I'm saying whether or not there's an item here. Alright, so fading out. I'm hiding. Whether I'm hiding or showing, I want to keep track of the button pressing. And oh, let me see. If I'm hiding it, no, it doesn't matter if I'm hiding it actually, because then I'm hiding it. I would have to click again. Although, yeah, basically what I want to happen is that when you click it while it's fading out, I want it to automatically pop back in without having to wait for it to be finished to click. So I'm going to keep track of the fact that it's been clicked while it's doing its animation, which is fading in and out, which is a nice little thing I've done too. Let's see. Okay, and then so basically when fading out, where is that shit? When fading out, fade out, normal speed, right, so fading back in again, basically. If it's been clicked, then yeah, then I just want to duplicate this. Show inspect text and set it that it's open. Because it's currently vanishing and without being visible, and I'm clicking on it to make it appear. So I want, yeah, basically it disappears again as soon as it's done fading out because of this. So I actually do another one of these too. Let me just paste what I've copied here for use. What is it? Yeah, show inspect text. Okay. I want this to go here first. Okay, and also when fading out, I want it to do something. It's all logic. So while it's, yeah, I want to check if I don't want to close it, if it's been clicked at all. Actually, do I? Wait. Actually, yeah, if it's fading out, I don't want it to appear. It's somewhere else I want to do that. So this is done. And then, yeah, no, if it's fading out. Yeah, so we're like just delaying this till after it's done fading out, and then it'll fade in instead. Yeah, theoretically. We shall see. I need a self-reference.
I realize now.
Mouse over info. There we go. Hey, what's up, yo? Heckin' crew. Hello, Andrew. How are you doing? Are you smoked today? Oh, constantly. I mean, I kind of need it. I was actually just thinking of just taking a minor hit break. Look at that compiled so quickly. I'm relieved. So I've optimized the starting area a bit, and I've kept the stained glass. If you check the Discord, you'll see there's been some heated discussion about the value of the stained glass. Alright, so let's check it out here. Right? It's not perfect, but it's about... It is about like a 10 frames difference. I don't know why it's hang up like this. I think that's OBS, to be honest. To be perfectly honest, I think that's OBS because it doesn't do that normally. Okay, it's back. Oh, what the fuck is it doing? My computer doing... Is Windows doing some shit in the background? Anyway. Yeah, so check this out. The behavior of the thing in the corner up here. Oh, I have to... There we go. Now the mouse is doing its thing. So let's click it open. Yes! Oh, yes. That's the way I wanted it to work. Oh, wait. So I have to remove it still. Oh, I have to... That's right. I have to turn off the bool. Turn off the bool of it being clicked. And now here. There we go. Clear it right after using it so that it can be used again. Okay. Try that. Why does it go to this mode every now and then? Like, what's this? Why? Why is it doing simulate? It's so weird. I literally just tested it a moment ago and then it just switches. It just switches. No reason. Did I press the button? Did you see me press the button? Is there maybe a keyboard button that I accidentally hit while trying to type something? I bet you that's it. Some keyboard button. Those drasted shortcuts. Drast them. Blast? Drat. Drat. Blast them. So, since you asked, and I did get recently on the medicinal program in New Jersey, and I'm just gonna say that I'm not trying to boast like, oh yeah, I got some cool weed, because I don't like that attitude when people are like, whoa, look at this weed. But I have to say, this AK-47, not a gun. Gun's bad. The weed, oh my god, it's like Cartman's cheesy poofs. It's cheesy poofs in flower form. It's incredible. Anyway, it's so good. The flavor. Oh yeah, check out this redwood. This is the kind of redwood I want. White, not black. I'm just joking. It's all good. Alright, so yeah, as you see, it's hard to tell when I'm clicking the button, but I'm testing basically its behavior in different... Shit, I double clicked. Okay, if it's currently on already, it's not doing it again. Because you're clicking it off. Oop, what I meant to type here. Okay, so basically, yeah, while the inspect window is open and you click if it's currently fading out, then I do want lookout fading out clicked to happen so that it appears again. And I want to hide it. Jeez, the freaking OBS over here. Maybe I need to lower the... So we're gonna listen to some history of magic and alchemy and...
We've probably staved off serious work just about as long as we can. Unless someone insists, no. Okay. Well, today's thing is sort of a return to a more orthodox educational kind of mode, hopefully not to such a degree that it's boring. But the agenda is to talk about Hermeticism and
unfortunately,
alchemy.
I couldn't make it
the way in which this tradition, which is
fade in and out on
counterintuitive
click
and
without it being a totally separate widget.
heterodox, if not heretical.
Alright, we're not gonna listen to that. It's too wordy for me to talk over. So... Oh, and the stained glass is on. It's like in full force. There's no fog up here though, so you don't really see it as intensely. I was thinking of adding some. That might be a fun thing to do. This particle really fucking chews it up, doesn't it? Fix that posture shit. Should be like the first thing I do. Cause yeah, that freaking helps a lot, right? It'll help you tell that something's clickable. I get to fix the capitalization on that one. Let me just fix the door. Oh, and there's one more thing here. I think maybe its placement needs to be changed, that's all. Just so the save and quit menu doesn't come in the way, and then I can just turn off the control for it. So let me just turn off the control for it, filtering the save and quit menu. Where's save and quit menu thing here? This shit. Okay, yeah. That's basically all. Okay, because they were on top of each other, so I had it so if one opens, the other disappears. But I think also on the save and quit menu, oh, it's closing all widgets anyway. Yeah, that's fair. Okay.
Yeah.
Give me a moment here. I just got this fucking kneeling desk, but the desk... I mean, not kneeling, a kneeling chair. God, right? Trying everything here. But the desk is at the wrong height. I'm a bag of bones. I'm gonna try just switch back to legit kneeling on the floor. Waste of money. I just need better pillows, man. Better knees. Alright. Good to go. Sort of. So good to go. Let's just... Like, WoW has it down here, I believe. But I was thinking maybe just move it over a bit. Like center. Sorry, I'm still doing this thing. I don't know if that's... I don't know how long that thing would be. I guess this will make more sense. I want to try putting like a selected character indicator on there, like to know that you have that selected. Let's fix these boxes too. These are only on the look and listen boxes and characters. So if it's a character, probably want to... I don't know. Excited to know that you have a character targeted or selected that I like. I mean, like, I've debated this thought for a while. I still really don't know. Maybe it shouldn't fade out if you've clicked at all. And it shouldn't change targets either. So like... might be too complicated. Maybe I should have it just be a separate function. Except your look at thing is one thing, and then what you click will stay separately. I think that's a better idea. So we have like look at actor, then we'll have selected actor. So on left click basically. Before or after the inspect window, doesn't really matter. So do a little turn here and say, well, let's see, get hit under. Let's just do this separately. Or just, you could say, result cast to, what? That's all that's available? Hit result? Wait a second, how do I do it over here? Hit result, break, hit result, sorry. So if it's a character, I should say, or a monk, NPC or whatever. It's the only NPC I have set up for now, so I'll have to remember to. Yeah, that's easy enough. I'll remember when I do NPCs proper. Okay, so basically this shit can go after that. And we'll just be like feet number 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, I'll just promote this to a variable. Although that would be, let me make this. Selected actor. I guess I could do that before this shit. I could just put a selection window on it. I mean, can I do... I could try to do the highlight thing. I think that's a whole process. I don't like highlighting things anyway, when it can be avoided. Maybe I can make like a different colored highlight thing. But no, I don't like seeing your fucking enemy glowing. That's stupid. I just don't know what other indicator. I mean, like, I guess the little circle around the feet is the one that makes the most sense. Maybe a subtle little circle. So, I guess I'll give the controller one. I guess it'll be a, maybe a plane. It's the cheapest little, I guess, what about a light? Just like a little light shining down on your target. Like an actual light. Like a little spotlight. I mean, if everybody has their own... it's way too expensive. I'm like, what's the cheapest way? A light! So, a cable targeted directly to the person with like glowing blue line. Decal. I love how it tells you what a kind of bumper sticker for model. Game development for noobs. What's a decal? How do I limit the number of decals on screen? Man. Maybe like that? Media plane. So much cool shit you gotta do, like a UI element, like in the screen. Like maybe you click on it and then buttons appear. I wanted to make it so you could right click and bring up the context menu and do all the various button commands that you could otherwise do by pressing the button. So that would be it, but left click would be something else to like show that it's selected. Could be particle system emitter. That's what most people do, right? I mean, Like some sort of like sparkles flying around the thing you have selected. Gotta be creative here. Can't do this in multiplayer, unfortunately, because it goes to the hard drive. Or it's just, maybe you can't test it on the same computer. I ran into problems with it very early on in my learning process. So. Text render. Maybe just have their name pop up? Maybe only show the name of what you have? So, invisible.
Zaymut slaps Zaymuts around a bit with a large trout.
Nice, nice. Is that random? Yes, it was random. I don't think it's very random. I don't think it's as random as it thinks it is. As it thinks it is. So, this is on the controller though. Well, the controller doesn't replicate, so that's good. Let's see, text. Where is that bad boy? Let's see it. What the fuck? Where are you, text? Why not? No, we'll do more of like a greenish, light green. Actually, the color will be determined by its faction and all that good stuff. Dude, how... I can't see it here. I just want to see it. Like, where it is, I mean, what is it gonna do, and how does it behave? Alright, well, let's just get, I think from here, yeah, cast to third person. Failed. We'll do monk for now. So I guess characters need a place for this thing to go. Do I have a slot maybe, or overhead chat component? Just add some to it or subtract from it. This needs to go higher though, then. And then the name can go under there. Maybe something like that. God, too many replays. Come on. Okay, so I can just get this thing's location and subtract it. Alright. So, got this thing. What the fuck? It is valid to collect whether or not they've been registered. Okay. Keep relative. Okay, so I can just do this. Like. Minus 20, that'll put it where it was. Okay. I guess don't need this. Oh wait, no. So on the monk dude, which I guess will just become my default NPC. We just put like a target point. I guess I could just say talk text minus 20 and over. Oops. What was that? This doesn't want to play. Alright, I'll do some freaking Bosnian rainbows, why not? It's only 4 tracks. Actually, it's a really stupid idea. Nobody wants to listen to this, unfortunately. Freaking music, man. Look at this guy. 9-hour video, though. It's different. It's not live anymore. Okay. Whatever. Text. There we go. I don't know if this is... I'll try like that for now. Okay, and... this is gonna end up needing its own jazz here. Okay, so let's do like if it's a different faction of you. Controlled one. Cast to third person. Info. What? No. Affection. That equals that. I can. Well. Guess I only need. Alright, and I can do. If it equals, then we're gonna set its color. Yes. So if it's the same, we'll make it green, super green. Super green. I'll go super green. And if it's false, so if it's a different faction, make it super red. And then, I'll make it yellow if it's an NPC. Oh. Guess I'll try that. And let's see. Okay, results. It's not. So set visibility. So deselect if it's not, and same here. So if it's some actor that's not a monk or that, maybe I should do names of items too. So let's see. Oops, take this. Select actor, so cast to item. So if it's an item, we'll just attach it to, I guess items are going to need something there. I'll just I'll do an offset again. So I'll just snap to target. Huh. Static mesh. There we go. Okay. And add an offset of like maybe the thing's size. Scale. Local bounds. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we'll do it. And I'll make its color like orange for items. Right? Green and red makes orange. Not sure about that. Hey, what's up, yo? I is the third. Hooray. Okay, so this is missing. And this missing. Okay. And I also want to actually do some logic here. I gotta set its name. So set text. Gonna be the account name. Oh wait, no, we're gonna format. Name the title. Yep, okay. Title, and let's see. Combine those. So here we're gonna want to do. I guess for now I'll just say a monk because I don't have a name thing for NPCs. Alright, so set text. A mysterious monk. And for the items, get display name, yeah. No, interactable display name. It's my thing. Make text. Okay. ToString. ToText. Radio. Now that I shall compile. Compileruno. Compilerunski. And I should make the text blank too. One more thing. I know this song. God damn it. Set text. Shlamo. How about, you know what? I'll listen to Carmina Burana again.
Listen, any...
A billion views. A trillion, gazillion. Now it's a million. No, wait, no, you know what? Okay, now I'll do this. Let's try this shit out. It's the Chill Hop remix of Carmina Burana. I forgot to do the visibility. I knew I forgot it. I knew about it, I swear. Yeah, see, I did it here. Well, I didn't do it. Oh, I did do it here. Like, what? Sorry. It's just really, I like this song. Okay, but like, what? Must be missing something basic here. Dude, that's like I didn't miss anything. Why is it not like show me the rotation? But I don't see it from any freaking angle here. I forgot about doing the rotation, but widget component. It's not even the same thing on here that I'm using. I'll work on getting the rotation later, but I could just use the widget component thing. That's what I use for the text. Why don't I just use that and I'll just make it a text thing? It's a pain in the ass. I thought this would be nicer. Could you just render the text? Come on. What am I missing? What could it be? Maybe I just didn't see it. I just didn't see it, man. Should have worked for my character. It's a third person blueprint. Sorry, I'm wiggling around these pillows. Mouse is shaking all over. Let's see. Oh, blocking hit is probably the wrong thing to use there. I just want, if this is a hit result, this is only happening on true, then I should just do this down here, do this straight to here, and get rid of that. Okay, try that. Actually, yeah, let's just do that. do this. Okay. It's a little redundant. I'll do it for this. There we go. Doesn't have to happen on the other pass. Not like it matters. It doesn't take any processing time. You'd have to have a triple quintillion billion of those in a double array inverted with blueprints and C++ tangents. I know because I hyperloaded the Fasimilograd and into my temporal up matrix, which is, you know, real easy if you just know what you're doing. That's what people sound like when they talk about fucking procedural AI learning or whatever that shit is. It's just, I mean, I know what it is. I know how it works. It's just they sound so conceited and convoluted talking about that shit. Come on, where's my text? Render the goddamn text. Maybe the color isn't... I'm not sure what scale these work at. What the fuck? Right, no, yeah. Let's make it blue for items. Yummy Crispies. Find some beefsteak in your bra. That is not a spoon at all. If there's any pizza, feed me Zeevings. I'm just translating. Christmas not that far at all. Christmas greetings. I don't know what that last line was. Dun dun dun. Just items. Okay.
non-stop music for you and your household. Even when you leave the
I would like to just make the thing that's supposed to work instead of having to use some other thing that works. It's a little more complicated, right? I mean, that seems to make sense to me. I mean, it's not about facing it. It's just want text render component just not showing. First odd time signature prog rock. Technically, this should go down here too. But I'm not seeing it at all, like even in the viewport. I guess I could just, wait, I could just do a different component. Wait, that widget, I could use the same chat widget. told it what widget to be. Oh, this is such a pain in the ass. I forget how to do this. All right. So I want to do this jazz. Like, where's the option for like what widget to make it? Widget class, there we go. Alright, that's fine. I can get rid of this. And now use this instead of everything. No. Blink. But yeah, I'll do this. Spaghetti ribbon skis. There he goes. Okay. The text. Here we go. Okay. So text render color. Ready? Okay. Jesus. See, this is what I mean. It's like complicated versions and shit. Alright. So down here, can do the same color shit. And set text. Damn it. Okay. So what we're looking to replace here. Alright, we're back. So yeah, I'm working on having things selected. Dun, 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 dun. And, you know, different things selected. I don't know if someone just subscribed or what just happened. I got a sound, but I didn't see a notification. Dun, 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 dun. Almost done. Okay. Text. Deal with the colors. Right. Okay. Poof. Let's see if the widget component wants to work. I mean, it's all the same programming now. I've just switched the reference. I mean, not exactly the same, but text target block. One thing I missed. Just one. Having blueprints open in the background drastically lowers your frame rate, by the way, if you didn't know that. It's true. I don't know what you mean by blue switches. Keyboard at Cherry MX Blue. What? Some weird shit just happened there. Definitely some weird shit going on there. Let's try this instead.
Keep your music playing in the background. Take your songs offline. Listen to it all ad-free.
Let's try that for now. This is really weird. I don't know what's wrong. So, what? Okay. I could start with just get location. All set. Well, the problem is this... No, it's not getting in the way of the camera, but still don't see it anywhere. Precession shit. What the fuck? I can put a socket on there later on. Just want to make this thing appear. So now it's the same thing that was on everybody's character for replicating chat, but it's on your own character for not replicating, attaching to another character when you have them targeted. And hopefully it'll still attach to myself. I mean, hopefully we just see it at all. Oh, hey, yes! Kick ass. Oh, fuck yeah.
Listen anywhere, anytime. All your music.
The door isn't working.
YouTube Red.
7, the Nomad. It's not working every time. Progress. Oh, there it is. Mysterious monk. It's strange, I can't get it to... There it is. There it is. Huh. It's very inconsistent, but we see it. I need to eat some damn lunch. Oh, okay, I get it now. You're asking what kind of mechanical keyboard I have. Well, the secret is that I have none. It's cheap. Model KBBL919EB, made in China. It says numlock, caps lock, scroll lock on it. Now I see no indicator of brand name whatsoever. Nope. Nothing. Nada. Jack shit. My keyboard is nameless. It is a silent assassin. You could throw this at someone and they'd have no idea where it came from. And there's no markings of identification on it whatsoever. It's clearly keyboard of the future. So that kind of worked. I need to come through and just make it behave properly. But I need some lunch. It's time for a short break. I shall return. Is there a ninja emoji? I don't know. In YouTube. Oh, it does. That is a loud fucking keyboard. Damn, you're right, man. It's like. Oh man, there's a lot of them here. Can you search? Dude, come on, you're asking me. We got several for nin. Nothing for ninja, unfortunately. But we could do this. That's pretty badass. Croque monsieur. I'm going to make a Chinese leftovers, or Japanese leftovers, technically. Some sushi. Alright, I'll catch you soon. Oh, did you see the improvements I made since you just got here? Let me do a little play through Edge. Just the performance of the spawn area and this, like, look at selection screen, really. That's all. And I mean, like, yeah, I haven't really done anything with the continents, but just making it so that it's above 30 at least in spawn area at when everything's at epic. Because it was actually at like 15 at epic, so it's a substantial improvement. I have a mysterious monk, 7 the apothecary, and my stained glass is like all good and proper now. Just do another quick little screen grab. That's there. Just a little updated picture of the stained glass effect. Sorry, I'm just walking over overlaps. Should I make it so that you have to use these things? I don't know, I kind of like the idea that it's weird, like overlaps. It's like mysterious, confusing. So yeah, now I've got these things to spawn, just pop up whenever you mouse over anything, and it does like a nice little fade out, fade in thing. I should make it faster though. And then this pops up when you click. And if you click on something else as it's fading out, it knows, and then it spawns in with the next thing. You see that? It's disappearing. If I just go over there, so basically anytime you click on something else, its description will come up in a moment. Or I can just wait and click. If I go over there, I'm like, I want to look at that. Okay. It's very responsive. 7. Right. So, you can see everything from up here. and get a really good frame rate. I'm curious how the sound goes when I jump out here, too. There's a moment of silence in between the jump, which is kind of cool. Oh, I made an apothecary. I forgot about that. Hello, cart. That doesn't quite work. Vroom, vroom, vroom. We'll get there, wooden cart. We'll get there. And thus ends today's stream for now. I'll be back